Hi everyone, welcome to this week's Feature Friday video. This week I have a new launch from Young Nails. They've come out with their Everyday 2018 collection. So they have done the 4 color shot minis again. So you can try out all 4 colors in a 5 ml bottle. They also, of course, have their regular size bottles available and the corresponding colors in Go Time as well. And then they have come out with another art screen for this collection too. So we'll be going through those. I'll swatch out the Go Time so you can see their coverage. We'll check out how the polishes stamp over dark and light colors, and we'll take a closer look at that art screen as well. I'm starting off here with Big Sigh, and this is a nice neutral pink. It's very nude pink. And then you can see I did prefer 2 coats for application with Go Time, and with stamping with Caption, it is quite light over lighter colors, but it does stamp pretty well over darker colors. This next one is Peep The Goods, and it's kind of like a cherry burgundy. It does have a bit of a brown tone to it. There's a really nice red shimmer. And again, I preferred 2 coats with this color. And it does stamp well over top of lighter colors, and over top of darker colors it gets this really cool metallic sheen to it. It's actually really, really pretty. The next color I have is Feelin' Myself, and this one's a really unique kind of peachy browny nude. It's a very pretty nude color. And again, I did prefer 2 coats with this one, and it did stamp really well over light and over dark colors. Now the last one, and my personal favorite, I like to think of this as kind of like a champagne rose gold. So it's really that champagne-y, like silky kind of color with a little bit of a pink to it. It's very, very pretty. And out of the 4 colors, I did find this one did cover best with 1 coat, but I still liked it better with 2. And for stamping, it is absolutely gorgeous over top of light and dark colors. It stamps beautifully. So as you can see, all of the colors with 2 coats look really good and flawless, and all of the colors except for Big Sigh stamp well over both light and dark, and Big Sigh not so much on the light side. And now just really quickly, I'll give you a close-up look at the Everyday 2018 art screen, and I have been using this art screen for all of the stamps you've seen in this video. And then again, they've come out with the mini color shots. So this is all 4 colors, and they come in this cute little 5 ml bottle, so it's half the size of your regular Caption, so you can try it out and see if you like the colors and how well they go before you commit to a full color. So thank you for watching this week's video, and always liking and sharing our videos and subscribing to our channel. As always, any questions or comments in the section below, and please, I'd love some feedback on how you feel about how this video was set up today. And don't forget that you can also support us by liking us on Facebook and following us on Instagram.